What if the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence isn't created by humans? What if it's created by AI itself? Imagine an AI system capable of finding software vulnerabilities faster than entire teams of engineers. An AI that can analyze massive amounts of code, solve complex technical problems, and work on projects for days without getting tired. Now imagine that same system becoming capable of improving its own work again and again. It sounds like science fiction. But according to discussions surrounding a powerful AI system known as Mythos, some researchers believe we may be moving closer to that future than most people realize. And that's exactly why people are paying attention. What is Mythos? Mythos is reportedly one of Anthropic's most advanced AI research systems. Unlike traditional AI assistants that mainly generate text or answer questions, Mythos is designed for much more demanding tasks. It can analyze software, review complex code bases, discover hidden vulnerabilities, reason through multi-step problems, and potentially work on long-term projects with minimal supervision. In simple terms, Mythos is not just another chatbot. It's closer to a highly capable digital collaborator. And that difference matters, because the more capable AI becomes, the more important it becomes to understand its limitations. Why are researchers concerned? The concerns surrounding Mythos aren't really about what it can do today. They're about what systems like it might be able to do tomorrow. Let's start with the first concern. Finding vulnerabilities humans miss. Imagine a security flaw hidden inside a major banking system. Hundreds of engineers have worked on the software. Thousands of hours have been spent reviewing it. Yet somehow the vulnerability remains hidden. Now imagine an AI system discovering that weakness in a fraction of the time. This is one of the capabilities that makes systems like Mythos so powerful. For cybersecurity experts, this could be revolutionary. But there's another side to the story. If AI can identify vulnerabilities faster than defenders, it may also help attackers discover weaknesses faster than ever before. Like many powerful technologies, the same capability can be used for defense or misuse. And that's where the concerns begin. The rise of autonomous AI. The second concern is autonomy. Most people think of AI as a tool. You ask a question, it gives an answer. But advanced systems are beginning to evolve beyond that model. Instead of performing one task at a time, they can break large objectives into smaller goals, create plans, adapt strategies, and execute multiple steps with limited human guidance. This doesn't mean Mythos is acting independently or escaping human control, but it does raise an important question. As AI becomes more autonomous, how do we ensure humans remain in control? The more capable these systems become, the harder it becomes to predict every decision they make. Speed beyond human teams. Then there's speed, and speed may be the most underrated factor of all. Imagine a task that normally requires a team of experts working for 2 weeks. Now imagine an advanced AI system completing much of that analysis in hours. That's the kind of productivity shift researchers are beginning to discuss. The potential benefits are enormous. Scientific discovery, medical research, engineering, education, business. Every field could be transformed, but every acceleration also introduces new risks. When intelligence operates faster than human decision-making, mistakes can scale faster too. Should we actually be afraid? This is where the story becomes more nuanced, because despite the dramatic headlines, many researchers do not believe Mythos represents an immediate existential threat. In fact, some experts argue that public fears around advanced AI are often amplified by speculation and media attention. There is an important difference between a powerful technology and an uncontrollable technology. At this moment, there is no public evidence suggesting that Mythos has become self-aware, escaped human oversight, or poses the kind of threat often portrayed in science fiction movies. What does exist are legitimate concerns about safety, governance, transparency, and responsible deployment, and those concerns deserve serious discussion. The bigger question, Perhaps the most important question isn't whether Mythos is dangerous. The real question is this: what happens when AI systems become significantly better than humans at specific tasks? Because Mythos may not be the final destination. It may simply be an early glimpse of what comes next. A future where AI discovers scientific breakthroughs, designs complex software, accelerates innovation, and potentially reshapes entire industries. Whether that future becomes one of humanity's greatest achievements or one of its greatest challenges depends largely on the decisions we make today. One thing is certain: the age of advanced AI is no longer approaching. It's already here, and the pace of change is only accelerating. So what do you think? Are concerns about systems like Mythos justified? Or are we simply witnessing the next stage of technological evolution? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the future of artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next breakthrough may arrive sooner than any of us expect.